Welcome to our educational video on the differences between program evaluation and action research. Program evaluation focuses on assessing the effectiveness and efficiency of existing programs. Action research, on the other hand, emphasizes collaboration and continuous improvement. The purpose of program evaluation is to provide feedback and make data-driven decisions. Action research aims to address specific problems and implement practical solutions. Program evaluation typically targets a broader audience, including stakeholders and decision-makers. Action research involves active participation from the community or individuals directly affected by the research. Program evaluation has a defined scope, focusing on specific programs or interventions. Action research has a broader scope, aiming to generate knowledge and improve practices. Program evaluation follows a structured methodology, employing various evaluation techniques. Action research adopts a flexible methodology, allowing for iterative cycles of planning, action, and reflection. Program evaluation typically has a fixed time frame, with specific evaluation periods. Action research has a more flexible time frame, allowing for ongoing data collection and analysis. Program evaluation aims to provide clear outcomes and recommendations for improvement. Action research focuses on learning and generating knowledge to inform future actions. Program evaluation emphasizes accountability, ensuring transparency and responsible use of resources. Action research promotes collaboration and shared responsibility among participants. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.